We start by removing the bolts attached to the caliper. He moves the caliper out of the way to get access to and remove the old brake pads. Also unplug the brake pad sensor if the car has one. We'll be using DBA Street Series brake pads, as they've been designed and engineered for your everyday driving experience. You can line up the new brake pads with the clips on the end with the inserts in the caliper like so. Be sure to install the correct size. Apply the included anti-squeal compound to your new pads. Reattach the caliper, thread the bolts in, and secure them tight. Your new pads should also have a sensor if your old one did, so remember to plug the new one in.